It's Seabreeze westbound. If one of the Daytona units can help me out with the site number. Should be crossing the bridge about right now. I think it's site 2 maybe. That was stolen today out of Dismora.
What kind of car?
Blue Honda Civic 4-door.
In the head, it says there's a Sanford Barbershop bumper sticker on it. Yeah, I'm looking at it. The picture should be in the upper left-hand corner of the trunk bumper.
Your turn, tower operation, please.
Where's it going? Charlie 5-6 is on Nova, North
Motion, runway 7 right at Tango, like to see down 7 right for the light and inspection.
I'll say 7 right access, crew to port clear.
It's westbound over the
7 right, I'm
Bridge.
working clear operation.
What year is the car? 4, Honda Civic.
03.
Got a car center lane just passed through Ridgewood on Mason.
Victor 11 Central, I'm on scene at Ridgewood and Mason.
I think I got the car at the light, 1 block west of Ridgewood on Mason.
Yeah, that's the one we're looking at.
K95, stand by for tag.
454
Daytona Tower, roger. I got 4 to tag, 082-7 Tango Juliet.
05 Bravo Kilos with you on the visual, runway 7 left.
Rented traffic K95 with the stolen vehicle.
Level 10. Left, turn left. I haven't let him up, we're in traffic.
5 Bravo Kilo.
11, or Victor 11's coming through Seagrave right now, over the tracks right now.
There's units at center, they can try to get sticks in front of it.
Air 2's overhead, we'll take it.
I'm behind county unit.
Westbound on Mason still, just past Mason Park. Inside lane, coming up the center.
K912's got sticks at the budget self-storage.
900 block of Mason, got sticks as well.
Yeah, there's all kinds of sticks at center Mason, so it'll be good.
Right now, coming to you inside lane. No, that's not it. Inside lane.
Right.
Ground point enter.
One enter.
Alright, it cleared center. 454, 7 right, clear for takeoff.
Still westbound inside lane, coming up to Edwards.
South Daytona, back up a little bit. Anybody in Nova?
Let me come up to Nova here.
CO4's at Nova.
In the area that can get in front of me?
CO4 coming up to Tomoka, still inside lane. Westbound.
Brett, if he crosses over Nova, I'll be in front of you. Mark coming behind me, you're in behind him right now. That's him. We may be able to block him right here in this traffic. That's another unmarked trying to get around you if you want. You want to block him right here? What are we doing? Block him. I need someone in front of him tight.
Is it at Mason and Nova?
Get in the channel. They're at one at gunpoint.
Copy 1 at gunpoint.
Tango Juliet is tagged. 087 Tango Juliet.
54 should be swung.
Confirm stolen vehicle.
On the pattern.
You got enough units coming too? You got a bunch of us coming. They got a bunch of them there. I don't think they need any more right now. 1 November 53.
November 53.
Myself and 3110. Copy traffic stop.
Stand by, do you guys still need 1033 for this stolen vehicle?
Yeah, give just a minute. They're doing a felony stop.
10-4.
401 Central.
Daytona Tower, Skyhawk 24465.
Go ahead.
Is on the island.
I'm clear of the last case with a report and one in custody. Code 4, you can release the channel here.
7 left, clear to land.
Copy, one in custody.